All right, so question number 6. This is talking about a movie theater. I know some of y'all were kind of confused about this. You didn't really understand that, like what a matinee showing was. So I'm going to kind of explain that really fast. A matinee showing is an early showing. So sometimes, like if you can go to the movies during the day, it's cheaper than when you go at night. And so that's why it says that this movie theater charges $6.50 for the early showing. So we can call it just matinee early if you feel like, and then $8.75 for the evening showings. It says yesterday, the entire day of yesterday, the theater sold 378 tickets, and they made a whole amount of money of $2,929.50. And then it says how many matinee tickets were sold. Well, instantly, if you notice, if they sold a total of 378 tickets, you automatically can cross off answer choice D. Why can you cross off answer choice D? Well, because that's more tickets than they sold yesterday. So we know that that's not possible. It's not D. Probably not A either. And what you can actually do to make sure it's not A, you can just say, well, if they sold 378 matinee tickets, that means there were no evening showings, like maybe the theater just closed down, which is probably unlikely, but hey, whatever. So we could check it out though. We can say, okay, what is 378 times $6.50, because matinee showings are $6.50. So if there were just matinee tickets sold yesterday, if we do 378, I'm going to go ahead and do this with my calculator, times $6.50, well, that gives us amount of $2,457. We're going to go ahead and go back to our problem. And it actually says that the total amount of revenue made was close to $3,000. So we're not even close to that. So it's got to be answer choice B or C. It has to be. I mean, there's really no other option. Okay. And if you notice, B and C total, like if you add them together, hey, look, it's 378 tickets. Wow. What a coincidence. But probably because 210 is going to be the matinee or the evening, and then 168 is the matinee or the evening. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to actually completely work backwards on this problem. If you wanted to work it out, I'm going to show you the equation that you could have made yourself to work it out. Your working out would have been that matinee plus evening tickets are a total of $378, or tickets, sorry, my bad. And then the dollars, the money equation, is going to be everything to do with money. So matinee tickets are $6.50 for a matinee, plus the evening tickets are, what does it say, $8.75? $8.75 evening. And that equals the total revenue. So the total amount of money that you have, which is $2,929, and I think it says 50 cents, but I don't know, I could be wrong. Okay, 50 cents. Okay. So you could totally start from here and use your elimination to solve for this question. Again, I'm not going to, because I already have answer choices. And to me, the smartest thing to do is to use the answer choices, because you just work backwards on it, right? So I'm going to go back, and the answer choices said that the answer is either 210 or the answer is 168. So we're going to see if it's $210. That means that, okay, we're going to say that this is the matinee, so the evening. If there's 210 matinees, then we're using this equation. There's got to be 168 evenings, okay? Or if there's 168 matinees, then there's going to be 210 evenings. So we want to check out how much is it going to cost for, if there's 210 matinee and 168 evenings, we're going to try this combination, and then we're going to try this combination. How much would it cost if there was 168 matinees and 210 evenings? So we're basically plugging in these problems into this equation to see what actually equals this. So let's check it out. Let's start with the first one. Let's start with this one right here. We're going to say 6.5 times 210. That's going to give me the cost of the money that they made from the matinee showings. And then we're going to do the evening showings, see how much money they made from the evening. So that times 168, and see what it equals. Will it equal 29.50? So I'm going to go ahead, get my calculator out. I'm going to do 6.5 times $210. That gives me $1,365. Now we're going to go ahead and try the evening tickets. That was $875 times $168. That gives me a total of $14,070. When I work that out, and obviously it's not going to give me the right answer, but I'll try it anyway. It's going to give me $2,835. Does that match the original amount? No, it does not. So it cannot be this answer choice. It actually has to go ahead and be, what was it, C? Yeah, it's going to have to be C. And we're going to go ahead and try anyway. So I'm going to kind of erase some of this work right here. And we're going to go ahead and instead of 210 and 168, we're going to switch those up. And 6.5, we're going to multiply by 168 now. And we're going to add the 875 times the 210. And we're going to see what this equals and hope that it equals this, because if not, we have done something wrong. We have overlooked something because we've gone out of all of our answer choices. But we're going to do $6.50 times 168 tickets. That gives me $10,092. Okay, then we have our 875 times 210, and that gives me 1837.5. Okay, if I want to add those two numbers, voila, gives me the original amount, which is $29,2950. Yay, we have found our answer. We are good to go.